Hi, my name is Grant, and today we're reviewing Baby's first Roomba. This Roomba is the iRobot from Amazon, $400 price tag. It is self-motivated, and you can set it to a timer. It can cover a lot of different space. For a second, oh my love. Pro, the Roomba is very self-sufficient. I love eating garbage, and the Roomba was like my baby that I fed garbage to. Con, at a certain point, the Roomba will stop respecting you. It was also fun to introduce the Roomba to my other pets. Roomba. Cons, there's nothing in the instructions to prevent you from forming a emotionally unstable bond with the device. And that's when things got weird. No, that's for the cats! Roomba, no! You're drunk! Roomba, you've lost control! Roomba! Roomba, no! No! Don't go in there! Roomba! Roomba, stop! The Roomba's in the other room, but it feels like he's worlds away. I miss us! And you remember those times when we first got together, we'd just stay up all night and talk? So all in all, I think the Roomba is a pretty good buy, provided that you are emotionally stable enough to handle it. What am I saying?